All right, this is our next application. This is in a situation where they have not poured a concrete slab yet, but they are going to pour a concrete slab to attach the pergola system to. Like we said before, a footing is not required, but since the slab's not poured yet, we may as well go ahead and dig out a little bit underneath each post and just thicken that concrete where the post is going to sit. You could go down 8 to 12 inches or whatever works for the state that you're in. Let's go to the cut section on this. Again, you see our knife plate system here. This is how we attach the post to the concrete. Let's zoom in on that knife plate. Here you can see the concrete wedge anchors that attach the aluminum knife plate to the concrete, and then the blade that sticks up, that's the knife plate. The post goes over the top of that blade and attaches through that center hole that you see there. You can run a lag screw in and make that connection there.